Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. I'm losing my voice, but I have found some very, very cool cars today. My good friend Randy, who's walking away, he walks away when I start a video for some reason. He got us access into the Wilmer, Texas Copart. This is Dallas South if you are a Copart person. And we're going to take a look at a couple of these really cool cars. One may look kind of familiar because it's one that I had. I had the AMG version. We're looking at just the standard version that's missing a couple of parts. You really have to be kidding me, right? See all the little pistons? All right, it looks like snow. That's hail, folks. Rolls Royce Dawn. Oh my goodness, why is my life so fun? Come on, car, you're floored. I'm flooring a V12 engine. You thought this was gonna be perfect, right? Why can't I, like, fall in love with a Lexus? Monkey. Wrench. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
There she is. Isn't she lovely? She's missing some parts. Okay, I will admit that. But all the other parts look okay. Okay, we are missing headlights, the front bumper, both side mirrors. We're missing some parts over here. Oh, we're missing a handle. We're missing another handle. Okay, maybe it's a little more damaged than I thought. We're missing tail lights and the rear bumper. There's what she is, or what she used to be right there. Yep, 2008 W221 Mercedes S550. They even took the badge off of the back. Holy guacamole. You get the handles on this side. I don't know if I really like the chrome right here on the B-pillar. Anyway, check her out. Isn't she lovely? I'm interested in this car. I've actually bid on this car. It's not much, and it's not going to go for that. But you get a lot of parts on the inside, so let's kind of show you what's going on. And these things right here, it's not dented. It's just where it's scratched up. Okay, there's some scratches right here. No big deal. No big deal. See, so these aren't dents. These are just little scratches. All that will buff out. Let me show you what's in the trunk. Lots of parts. And again, coolant and a brush. You get a hairbrush. Okay, this is the under part for your engine. Oh, I get a headlight. Okay, there's a headlight. What is back here? You get some tail lights. We could piece this together. We really could. We could piece this together, and look, there's power. There's power in the blood. We used to sing that in church. Okay, very quickly, let's kind of see if she's going to start. Here it is. Can I get in there anyway? They've just taken everything out of this car. Okay, here we go. I don't even fit. Okay, why do I want this? Well, because I loved my S63. I really, really did. So let's see what's going to happen. She's alive. She's alive! Look at the mileage. 77,000 miles. Please wait. The vehicle is rising. Look at this. And she sounds good. She does. Let me close that. Open the hood. Oh, you need vents too. Let's see what's in the back here. Okay, here's your bumper. This is your front bumper. And it looks, that's fine. You could use this easily. Your rocker panel cover for the other side is right there. I just hope it didn't poke a hole in anything. Look at this. I would drive this home even without headlights. We just have to hurry. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. There she is. Yeah, now this is an air suspension. It's not like that ABS. So it's not as complicated. Maybe it's a little more reliable, but she sounds good. Well, she's only got 77,000 miles. You have a 3-year-old battery up front. a super start. Alumin. Yeah, you have alumin. An alumin fender. Okay. This would drive home in a heartbeat. She really would. Let's check out. Okay, you do need a windshield. This right here just folds right back in here. I just fixed the car for him. Okay, so here's what happened. There's a little damage here. This is scratched. No real damage to the door, but we're just missing the... Wow. Okay. That's not a big deal. I wouldn't worry about that at all. What about the gas cap? Did they take the gas cap? Nope, gas cap too. Look at this. So what would you do? Would you buy this car? Mikey would in a heartbeat. Love, love, love. Love, love, love. She sounds really good. Can you hear it? She sounds really good. 77,000. And she popped up. Their suspension.
Oh, I'd buy that.
I know!
Yeah, you should get that.
Would I get pulled over for not having headlights or tail lights or a bumper?
We could just go to AutoZone and buy a $10 toolkit and piece it all back together
Piece it
right there in
back?
the parking lot.
Well, you got the tail lights in the trunk,
Right?
kind of a headlight, and we just have to make it home before dark. I love
Yeah.
the wheels.
Yeah, those are nice.
I like the wheels, and the tires have good tread. Right now, I'm the only bidder.
Is there a bite now?
No.
Oh. Is it in today?
Yeah,
Oh.
it's
You know, we
today.
need to go get some breakfast and lunch and hang out
And just see. I love this, though. I really do. That it's dented on the other side.
well, does it
It's
pops
not a big
off,
deal.
doesn't it?
No, well,
Oh.
see,
But look.
the plastic part comes
Oh, that's-
off.
Yeah.
Who cares about that?
Mako.
Yeah,
Bondo.
Bondo and Mako.
Bondo.
Yeah. See? Look. And there's a kit that I found on YouTube that turns this into one big screen. So it's not just one here and then this little piece here and there, but it turns this all into one big screen and it looks amazing. You change this off too. Yeah, but look at that. Okay, so I can't really look at any more because I don't fit in here. The air conditioning is super cold. We're on reserve fuel and she runs great. So let me know what you think, because Mikey likey. I would do this in a heartbeat. In a freaking heartbeat. So we'll watch the auction today and see if I can get it, because my bid is $375. Will it go for more than that, of course? Maybe not. Maybe people are scared of it. But we're going to watch it. Okay, from black to purple, which looks kind of black, depending on the angle. 2019 Audi A5. I think this is a beautiful car. Randy likes it too.
I'd drive it.
I hope he doesn't bid on it. No, I can't bid. I can't afford this one. This is beautiful though. See, from here it looks brown, and then black, and then purple in the sunlight. Woo! She's a pretty girl. I don't know anybody that's had an Audi A5. Your attorney has one, right? Didn't he?
S5.
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 Okay. Yeah. This is nice. And they did this from, they continued this from the, what was it, the A4 Cabriolet, where this was always silver and the cars were
The Crossfire
blue.
is what you mean.
Crossfire. Well, and
Mercedes Crossfire.
the Mercedes Crossfire and the old Audis.
You said Mercedes Crossfire.
Oh, did I?
Congratulations.
It's
You
the
finally got
heat.
it right.
It's the heat. I like this though.
It's got a nice body shape to it.
It is beautiful.
It's got a cross hanging from the rearview
That's a
mirror.
good sign.
That's a very good sign. I mean, somebody probably changed the oil.
This car was doing God's work. So it's gonna, look at the shifter. Oh, and the smell. Oh my
Smells great.
goodness. Yes. And there's power. There's power. Okay. Here we go. Does this start? Start and stop. Oh, this doesn't have the key either.
No. No.
There's no key.
No.
Mike is losing his voice and he's losing his mind. How can that even be? Remote control key. Hold back of key against a designated area. But there's not one.
But it's a run and drive.
Where's the key? Nope.
Lovely.
There's no key. I think they took them out because they didn't want me to start them. I think that's the reason why. Look at the instrument cluster though. Look how cool that is. You get cup holders. I like the center step right here. That's nice. It just looks like they glued an iPad.
It's quality.
I don't know why they do this. They're so concerned about everything else and how it looks, and then they glue an iPad.
It's weird.
It doesn't make sense to me.
It doesn't fit at all.
No. And that's just what they do, and nothing.
We're gonna call you the king of no keys.
The king, no king. Well, okay. Doggone it!
Look, your Audi projection.
Oh, does it?
On the ground there.
I can't see it.
Probably can't see it on that side. You can see it over here.
Just like that. There it is. That's a great touch. I need to get that for my old S500. They should have had that in 1997. Doggone it. I really wanted this one to start. Let's just look at the engine. I had a tan A4. Oh, look at this. What was MSRP? 60,000. Oh my. Woo! Oh. Wow. Okay. Let go. This is heavy. Oh, look how that fits. How this comes over.
Wow.
Right there. That was cool. And there she is. It's a clean car. But she just doesn't have a key. Well, what else do we say about a car we can't start? Nothing.
Dag nabbit.
Dag nabbit. That's it. But I love how this comes across. And it looks like it's just part of the body shape.
Yeah,
See?
it does. They did real good on
That is engineering or design or both. That's a great idea. That is cool. Okay. Well, there you go. 2019. Doggone it. Audi A5 Premium in purple. Purple Murple. You know, it works if you hold the camera right in front of the sun.
Oh, yeah. That's
But then you get the phone shadow right on your face. That probably makes me look better. Do I look better? No. All right. That's going to wrap it up for now. Thank you very much to Randy for letting me tag along today. It's been a day or two. It's been fun.
Yeah.
We have several cars to go check out on his channel, but this, we tried. We really tried. But we're going to try hard for that car because Mikey would drive that home in a heartbeat. In a heartbeat. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video very, very soon.